We are pleased to show you the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.